interviewing people about some of the stuff that's been in the news lately about the government access to your phone and internet records. Have you been following that at all?
Basically, the potential ability to access anyone's data anywhere, anytime, in perpetuity.
The government should be collecting information about threats to Americans, threats to the national security, but it has no business collecting information about millions of innocent Americans, and everyone should be rightly worried about their private information ending up in a government database for absolutely no reason. That is the form of surveillance that the founders of this country thought so dangerous to liberty and so dangerous to free expression.
I have nothing to hide.
If I have nothing to hide, why am I afraid?
Whether or not you've done anything illegal, everyone has something that's private about themselves. We all live our lives in public and in private, and the government shouldn't be in the business of blurring those two parts of Americans' lives.
It's information about the information.
There's all sorts of information that the government can glean from information about who you're talking to and who you're emailing. That information can reveal your political affiliations, your religious affiliations, whether you have medical conditions that could, for example, be relevant to your insurance coverage. It can reveal information about your infidelities, things that the government simply has no business knowing.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure exactly the scope of what sort of oversight there is. My guess is probably not as much as there should be.
A secret court has secretly interpreted a law that's very poorly understood to allow the government to do this. But there hasn't been meaningful oversight of the government's use of this surveillance authority by Congress, and there hasn't been meaningful oversight by the public, which is the most important check on government overreach.
You know, it's just nerve-wracking to know that they can find anything on you.
I think I need to do some research.